Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Whirlpool washer F25 error code. So first one is F25 indicates a drive motor tachometer error, meaning the washer can't detect motor speed correctly, often caused by sensor or wiring issues. Now, first thing you will do, turn off the washer and unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the control system, and also check for a heavy or unbalanced load because it can strain the motor. So remove excess items and try a smaller load. Another one, if you're comfortable, remove the back panel and check the wiring between the motor, tachometer, and control board, and look for loose or damaged wires. And now, if the issue persists, guys, you could just simply contact a Whirlpool support for a qualified technician to repair it. Or another one is you could run a short spin or rinse cycle with no clothes to see if the error returns. There you go. See ya.